So today what we're going to do is we're going to start creating the login ID and password for this, right, as we discussed in last session. Today's session we are going to basically work on creating our own instances on which you can work. Okay. So before we get into creating our own logins, I just want to give you a brief of the different editions of Salesforce. So let us understand one thing. See, do you think all the companies which use Salesforce, they have same requirement or similar kind of requirement? And your answer will be no. Right. Some companies need very basic features, some company need advanced features, some of them need to develop things on their own. Some of them will be very happy with what Salesforce has provided from their side, right? So the requirement for all clients cannot be same. So for that reason, they have different editions. Or like, for anything we have different packages and all that things, right? So same way Salesforce also comes in different editions. And the company decides on which edition they want based on the requirement. So in case they need very basic features, they will go with the basic edition. In case they need a little advanced features, they will go for a little advanced edition. So I want all of you to open salesforce.com on your screens. You can be following my screen also, and parallelly if you want you can open it on your screen as well. Just go to salesforce.com. Yeah. So this is the salesforce.com website. Once you come to this screen, the next thing that I want you to do is go to products. There's an option of going to products. Go to products and there click on editions and pricing. Go to products, then click on editions and pricing. Can everyone make sure that your systems are on mute? I guess everyone is muted. Okay. So go to the salesforce.com website, click on products and then go to editions and pricing. Now this is the page where you will see the different editions of Salesforce. So anytime you want to see the editions, you can come to the screen and you can see what all editions they provide. I have also shared the link of this page on the chat window in case you want to save it somewhere you can. Or you can simply go to salesforce.com website, go to products, editions and pricing. Right. Now here you see these are the different editions: contact manager, group, professional, enterprise, performance. So these are the different editions which are available in Salesforce: contact manager, group edition, professional, enterprise, performance. Okay. Contact Manager is the most basic kind of an edition which is available for a $5 per user per month pricing. Okay, and then we have group, we have professional, and finally we have performance, which is a $300. Do you see what sort of range of products that they have? They have editions which start from $5 per user per month. So as I said, it's just about buying licenses. To access Salesforce, you need to buy licenses for your users. So in case you have 2 users, you will need to pay $5 per user per month in case you want to use this Contact Manager edition. So that is how it is, right? So this Contact Manager is pretty basic edition. Any company can just maintain their accounts and contacts. The contact information of the companies that they are dealing with and the contacts there, right? And they can also maintain the task and event thing. Not much, only this. In a group edition, they can maintain all the thing. In addition to whatever they can do in Contact Manager, they can also manage opportunities and all that, right? In a professional edition, they get into maintaining the campaigns, doing mass emails and all that stuff. Then they have Enterprise Edition. Enterprise Edition is the most popular one that they have, and here they allow you to do the workflow approval automation. Automation can be done. You can design your custom things. So complete customization can be done in the Enterprise Edition. And then there is Performance Edition. In Performance Edition, it's a unlimited kind of an edition where you can design unlimited number of applications, and you get a premier support from them. So that is the thing. So difference in the pricing is because of the difference in the features which are available with that edition. Got it? Anyone has any question or doubt on this edition thing? We are clear on this? Now, other thing that I want you to do is just scroll down a little on this page and click on this download the full edition comparison chart. Just click on this and download this comparison chart. This is a comparison chart which will give you a complete comparison between different editions. So what is different between the editions, which edition has which all features. So I mean that will in a way help you compare editions in case you start working on Salesforce as a consultant, right? For the time being, you might be feeling that all the editions are almost same, or I mean, what do I need to do if there is something different also, right? Because we are not using any of these editions, so we do not have to worry a lot about these editions at this point of time. But the moment you start working for a client, or the moment you go for an interview, you might get a few questions on these lines that, okay, fine, if this is what I want to do, which edition you think I should purchase? That sort of questions can come up, right? Or if you are actually trying to help a client, you are working with a company, at that point of time, it is very important, because see, it's not that just picking any edition, it makes a huge difference in the pricing. So Contact Manager is $5, Enterprise is $125, right? So 25 times. So there's a big difference in the pricing. So any client usually evaluates the editions before taking an edition, right? So this is one thing that I want you to spend a little time with, this edition comparison chart. At least you should know the names of all the editions, and the basic functionalities we should understand, right? That is one good thing in case you want to get into Salesforce. A lot of people do ignore that, the addition part, but there's something which is important. Okay. So how many do we have here on this page? They have listed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we see 5 additions here, right? Contact manager, group, professional, enterprise, performance. So 5 of the additions are available here. Now, in apart from these 5 additions, there is one more addition which is not listed here, which is called. So these are the ones that we just saw: contact manager, group, professional, enterprise, and performance. There's one more addition which is not listed here, which is called a developer edition. Okay, so a developer edition is basically a free edition. It's free, and that is the reason why they have not put it on this pricing list, because there is no price attached to it, and this is for learning, for people who want to learn. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll create this developer